Welcome back to Classy Bonsai. I think I'm about to get stormed on. I'm going to try and knock out a repot of this Siberian elm. It's way late in the season. I shouldn't be doing it, but it needs it. I'm going to do it. Got some serious roots in there. Should have got a bigger container to put the roots in, or the soil in. Hope the storm stays away for a minute. I'm doing this anyways. Trying to get this into a smaller pot and reduce this root ball. That's the goal today. It looks like it's a pretty stout root ball. Much more stout than I remember. I hope I don't take a saw out. I'm not in the mood to saw anything. Another dimension on the tree that I didn't have before. Originally that was how I had the tree planted, but there's no roots over here really. Which is a bummer. So, to get rid of all that, that could be eat all that. Boy. So, I'm gonna start regrowing my Yamadori. So what I'm saying, and you probably can't hear me, is this is a big crazy, this was grown in a parking lot. And I forgot about this big lump here. What I should have done originally probably was just cut it here. And I think I'm going to today. Because I don't need that. Unless I'm going to tilt the tree up and get rid of this one. And have that be the tree. But I'd kind of rather have that be the tree than that. So this is going to have to get dealt with. saw, unfortunately. Oh yeah, I chopped that big root off. I think it's for the better. I'm gonna bury this sucker almost like a root over rock. Hope a bunch of roots grow out of some of these spots that I want roots. There it is. It's in there. Let's see how it does. I should have tilted it up more, but I didn't. I just want the roots to grow. We're really just working on the roots at this point. I'm hoping for some more budding after the chops. So, I'm gonna water it in, clean up this mess. It's about the thunderstorm. Get that going. Alright, here it is. The Sumo Shohin Siberian elm from a parking lot. Did a lot of big root work on it today. Probably too late in the season for this. I hope it recovers well. I'm going to baby it. I'm going to take good care of it. And I think it'll be alright. Thanks for watching.